welcome to the channel. So this is Marty's workshop and I am obviously Marty. My name is actually Martin, but I spent 3 years working in Australia, so I got nicknamed Marty and it kind of stuck. So that's kind of how I refer to myself now. I just thought I'd do a little bit of an introduction to the channel. So obviously I repair anything from small tools, lawnmowers, plant equipment, right the way up. I do cars, vans. HGV is my trade, so I currently work for a local civils company repairing lorries, and yeah, basically do everything in between. Now with the Marty's workshop side of it, it's more friends and family. So basically all my friends and family know that if they have an issue with their vehicle, they give me a call or they pop down and see me, and I just love playing with vehicles and kind of fixing problems and sorting stuff out. So that's kind of, it's developed. I enjoyed doing it. I was using YouTube for information, and I decided that I would start sharing what I do with YouTube and see how it goes. So I plan to do it for a couple of years and just see how it goes. I was absolutely amazed that I kind of hit 1,000 subscribers within a year and a half, and now I'm pushing on to 4,500, on my way to 5,000 subscribers. So overwhelmed with how many people have kind of enjoyed the channel and, you know, been coming to see my videos. So yeah, so I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribes. The future of the channel is looking good. I'm actually in the process now of starting my own kind of merch. All the money from the merch shop is going back into the channel. Like I said before, I have a full-time job, so the goal would be to reduce from my full-time job and start doing this more, so I can just help people more and I can spend time. You know, I get a lot of people message me with problems with their vehicles, and I try my hardest to help them, whether it be telling them where fuses are, relays, locations, giving them advice. A lot of people ask me, you know, is this garage ripping me off trying to charge this or that? And I try to give my honest opinion as much as I can. So make sure you subscribe and obviously like this channel so you can follow and see what's going on. And also, if you have a problem yourself and you feel you want a bit of advice from someone who's quite neutral, I am your guy. So again, the merch shop is all about trying to do more of this and obviously less of my current work. So that's kind of where we're going with the channel. I have got the LT50 that I'm going to raffle off. Once that's finished, I got a few more videos. Again, I moved house recently. My workshop isn't even finished yet, so I've been just doing videos outside just to keep the channel alive. Once that LT50 is finished, it's going to be fully restored and all beautifully done. I got some really exciting things coming really soon, so you'll get to see all that. Once that's done, then I'm going to raffle it off through the channel, so one of you guys is going to get that and really enjoy it. So that's what I want. I want to help people. I want the channel to kind of, I want you guys to be a part of the channel. So that's what we're aiming for. That's what we're going for. And yeah, make sure, you know, think about it. Hit that subscribe button if you like what's going on. And yeah, follow the channel. And if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. You know, if you're thinking about buying something or doing something, or you don't know what tools, I don't mind. I'm always looking for ideas to do content, and if you literally said to me, what tool do I suggest for this, I've got no problem making a short that day, uploading it so you guys can see my opinions and what I think. So yeah, like, make sure you know, take part in the channel, make sure you put your views across. Any questions you have, just let me know, and yeah, I'd love to help. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I look forward to future videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.